Hello. Today we're talking about 60 seconds to change your mind. And what I'm talking about is starting to declutter. Now today is Tuesday. If you're watching this on the day that it's released, it's Tuesday. It's your free day. You're not going to declutter today, but I want you to think about this today. You have 60 seconds to change your mind. So when you sit down on the couch and you haven't done your dishes after dinner, you haven't talked to your kids about helping you clean the kitchen, you've shirked your duties, and I want you to have 60 seconds to forgive yourself, to stand up, to step with intention toward your kitchen, and to begin doing your jobs. That goes with swishing and swiping, that goes with making the bed, that goes with doing the laundry. If you fail yourself, take 60 seconds, give yourself a pep talk, step up and step with intention toward the thing that you need to do. That's it. Have a great day.